Hello my pretty nail lovers, you're welcome back again to Nail Vibes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on the time you are seeing this video. So in case I see my channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous queens, as you can see in this video for today, I have the best trendy nail art designs. These nails here are in trend and they are the latest nail version you can see anywhere. So watch to the end, pick the best light to make on your nails and look astonishing in every event you go to. And as you watch the video, kindly do support it by giving it a thumbs up, okay? Like the video so that it can reach a wider audience. And in case it's not really what you want, you can also go to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can watch from there and make your choices. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.